Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to do these questions from the chapter Polynomials class 9. Question 1. Which of the following are polynomials? The A part when written in the standard form is what? X square over 2 minus 2 times x raised to the power minus 2. So minus 2 is not a whole number, so therefore this expression is not a polynomial. B part when written in the standard form is what? This is under root 2 and we can express under root x as x raised to the power minus half. So here too minus half is not a whole number, therefore this expression is not a polynomial. For C part when written in the standard form, this is x squared, that is 3 into x raised to the power 3 over 2, that divided by under root x can be written as x raised to the power half. This is x squared plus 3, and applying laws of exponent over here, this is x raised to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So this is x squared plus 3 times x raised to the power. This is what? 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 2 by 2, which is 1. So we can say that here the powers or the exponents are whole number. So this is a polynomial. For the D part, you can see that this is not in the standard form, as here the denominator has a variable x, therefore this is not a polynomial. Question 2. Root 2 is a polynomial of degree a 2, b 0, c 1, d half. Under root 2 is a constant polynomial and degree of a constant polynomial is 0. Degree of a polynomial 4x raised to the power 4 plus 0x raised to the power 3 plus 0x raised to the power 5 plus 5x plus 7 is a4, b5, c3, d7. As 0 multiplied by any number is 0, therefore on simplifying we get this polynomial as 4x raised to the power 4 plus 5x plus 7. Question 4. Degree of the 0 polynomial is a0, b1, c any natural number, d not defined. Degree of the 0 polynomial is not defined. Question 6. The value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x squared plus 3 when x equals minus 1 is a minus 6, b 6, c 2, d minus 2. Let px equals 5x minus 4x squared plus 3. Replacing x with negative 1, we get p negative 1 equals 5 times negative 1 minus 4 times negative 1 whole square plus 3. So p negative 1 equals 5 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 1 square is 1. That's why it's minus 4 plus 3. P1 therefore equals minus 6. Question 8. 0 of the 0 polynomial is a0, b1, c any real number, d not defined. 0 of a 0 polynomial is any real number. Question 9. 0 of the polynomial px equals 2x plus 5 is a negative 2 by 5, b negative 5 by 2, c 2 by 5, d 5 by 2. 0 of this polynomial is what? That is px should be 0. So equating 2x plus 5 with 0, we get 2x as what? Negative 5 and x as what? Negative 5 over 2. So we'll say that negative 5 over 2 is the 0 of this. Question 10. One of the zeros of the polynomial 2x squared plus 7x minus 4 is a2, b half, c minus 1, d minus 2. To get the 0 of this polynomial, let px be this polynomial. Now to get the 0, px should be 0. That means we can write 2x squared plus 7x minus 4 equals 0. Now by applying middle term factorization from the factors of 4 into 2, that is 8, we need to split this 7x. So we can split the middle term as what? 8x can be written as 7x can be written as 8x minus x minus 4 equals 0. Taking 2x common from the first two term, we get x plus 4, and taking minus 1 common from the last two term, it is again x plus 4 equals 0. So taking x plus 4 common throughout, we get x plus 4 multiplied by 2x minus 1 equals 0. Equating this with 0, we'll get x as negative 4, and equating this with 0, we get x is equal to half. So these are the two zeros of this polynomial.